Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing polkits in Linux. Now, polkit stands for policy kit, and this policy kit is responsible for giving an application sudo privileges, in which you are given a box to type in your password, and then you click OK to authorize it with sudo privileges. An example of this is if I start virtual cam, it will ask for authentication. It is needed to run sbin/modprobe as a super user. And the reason why this video is being made is because probably most of you try to use virtual cam and can't use it because you don't realize that there's a dialog box that you need to complete in order to give it sudo privileges so you can turn on your virtual camera. And so today I want to go into how to install a polkit. Now in this example we'll be using GNOME's policy kit, but I'll leave a link in the description to other ones you could use. But what we'll do is go to our command line and type in sudo apt install policykit-1-gnome and go ahead and install that. And so now it's installed, but it's not over yet. What we need to do is tell the computer that every time you start the computer to go ahead and load this policy kit. And what we want to do is run a dpkg --search for policykit-1-gnome. And once we do that, you're going to want to grab something like this, copy it, and then paste it into wherever you auto start your programs. For me, I start my programs through my rc.lua file in awesomewm, and I tell it to awful.spawn.once exec, and then the path that we just copied. Go ahead and save those changes, and either restart your computer or restart your window manager. It all depends on where you're auto starting your applications. And now we have come full circle. If this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and press that subscribe button, and I shall see you guys in the next video.